so welcome to the Lexus, and this is in the Nexus Hyderabad. So as you can see, so do not wait and check for the latest Lexus car here at the Nexus Hyderabad. And hello you guys, and good morning, and welcome you all to the another new vlog. And today I'm here to host the Lexus event. As you can see, we are here hosting the Lexus event, and we have two different cars. मैं थोड़ी देर में आपको डिटेल्स बताऊंगी कार के बारे में. तो I thought I will show you the entire display. Okay, so these are both the cars, and we'll start the event now. So watch the full vlog. Okay, so welcome to the Lexus, and this is in the Nexus Hyderabad. So as you can see, the Nexus Hyderabad is bringing the two premium cars, the luxury van car, the new Lexus RX 500H and EX 300H. So can you see this beautiful car here at the display? They look really amazing, and they have some amazing features, and the performance is amazing. So I want all of you to come and have a look at both the cars. So all of you, I'll show you the inside car. Alright, so yeah, this is huge. As you can see the car, I'm not sitting in the driving seat, but as you can see, this comes in the premium brand. So I want all of you to come and have a look, and it is very cozy and wonderful, and the inside is very huge. So बाहर से जो दिखता है उससे तो अंदर बहुत ही बड़ा है. तो मैं चाहती हूँ आप नेक्सस हैदराबाद में आके just see this car and have a look. Now I will show you the EX 300X, and yes, switch is on. Okay, so this is really amazing. See the seat color of the same. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, and it's giving huge space inside to all of you who are coming and joining. So do not wait and check for the very good news to all of you, and I welcome you all to the Nexus Hyderabad. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are happy to inform you we have this two amazing car in front of you. The two amazing Lexus here. As you can see, they are here for today and tomorrow at the Nexus Hyderabad. Anyone who is planning to buy a future car can head to us. Check out both the cars, our entire team to help you with all the details. So what you are waiting for? I want all of you who are here, come and have a look at both the beautiful cars and know more about the price details. Our team will have you with all the details. So come and have a look at both these amazing cars here at the display. The two new variants of the Lexus RX 500H. Thank you. Little bit about the event. So I'm here at the Lexus. The showroom is in Jubilee Hills, and yes, we have the two car in the premium section. So the price for the premium luxurious car start from 1 crore. This is the car RX 500H, 1 crore 50 lakhs, and the other this side we have the ES 300H. So it start from 87 lakhs. So both are really premium brand, and you know more about it more than me. Yes. Hey guys, so this is the lunch time, and it is around 2:30 PM. So this is a lunch time. मैंने लंच घर से बना के लेके आया क्योंकि मैं बाहर का नहीं खा रही हूँ आजकल. So see what I am having. This cookie man, they are baking it fresh here. So I bought a full packet, and I thought of tasting one. मतलब एक से ही पेट भर जाता है. So with a water bottle, and this is my lunch I think for today, because as of now I'm not hungry. Let's see till 4 o'clock. If I am feeling hungry, then I'll have my lunch. So as of now, let's enjoy this cookie man quick lunch scene. I brought paratha and sabji, so I'm having it. And let me enjoy my lunch. Hey guys, so we are leaving for the day. It's done. The event is done. It's 6 PM Saturday. So yeah, we are ending the event today, और कल फिर से आना है. So I thought I will say bye to all the people. So bye, and do keep watching all my vlogs. आप मुझे बताना कि कैसा लग रहा है मेरे सारे vlogs. Okay, so see you in my next vlog. Bye.